Hello guys, welcome to Similar Properties. This is Silvers, your favorite YouTuber. I'm here to take you on a tour. This is an amazing property here in Coastal Estate. You are not going to get this offer I'm about to give you anywhere in Accra. This is a 3-bedroom with a boys' cottage, a very spacious boys' cottage, going for only $140,000. The price is even negotiable. That's the fun part. Guys, we are here in Spintex, Coastal Estate. Let's have a tour of the 3-bedroom and then the boys' cottage. Guys, don't say I didn't tell you. This place, there are some small works ongoing. That's why the place is a little messy. But then I promise you, you can see with your eyes, this is a very great opportunity for you to grab this property. Grab this property now because it's yours.